In this tutorial, we will know about vent feature in sheet metal modeling. So to understand this vent feature, I go to this base flange, select this flange and select the top plane. And on this plane, I draw center rectangle, draw a rectangle like this, and I can click OK and exit sketch. Give it some height and OK. Now we have to draw sketch on this top part. So I go to sketch and select sketch and select this top face. We can rotate it to normal and I draw series of circles. Draw circle. Suppose I draw circle, that is the first circle. Then we have to draw more circle, or we can say concentric circles. Draw a series of circle like this. Okay, this is good. Then I can click OK. Also we need one more arc. So I select this arc, take an arc from this end point, center point to this outer point on the circumference. Draw an arc and then select circular sketch pattern. The parameter is this arc and number of instances I want 4, and we have to make a check on this equal spacing. Angle will be this 360 degree. So I click OK. Now exit sketch. So I can rotate it and we can see the sketch. Then I go to sheet metal and select vent feature. It is showing that uses sketch element to create a vent for airflow in both a plastic or sheet metal design. So it is basically used for airflow. I select this vent. We have to select the boundary. So boundary will be this external circle. Select the circle and it will automatically select the geometric property, geometric face. Then we will go to this bottom. Then ribs. Select this box and we have to select the arcs. Select this arc and I have to select all the 4 arcs we have created. We have parameters for this arc, that is enter the depth value, then width value and offset value. We can change this parameter. Suppose I make this value 5. Okay, that is already 5. Then I go to this sparse, select this box, and in this sparse we have to select these circles. Select the circle one by one and we can see the sparse profile. We can also change the parameters for this, that is the enter the depth value, then width value, and that is the offset value. In last we have one more parameter, that is fill in boundary. Fill in boundary will fill the complete loop. I select this fill in boundary and go to the sketch, and suppose I select the circle and it has filled that circle. So I can click OK. And this way make use of this vent feature.